Deep in the jungle where the tall trees sway lives Elvis the Elephant who loves to play. He swings his trunk and stomps his feet. Every day's a rhythm, a splashy beat. He wiggles left, he wiggles right, ready for fun from day to night. Sing along with Elvis the Elephant, splish, splash, watch the water sparkle as the raindrops crash. Stomp your feet and clap your hands real fast. Join the jungle party, let the good times last. Elvis Elephant finds a muddy pool. Jump in with me, it's nice and cool. He splashes high, he splashes low, making muddy bubbles everywhere they go. He shakes his ears, he laughs, woohoo! Now Elvis wants to dance with you. Sing along with Elvis Elephant, splish, splash, watch the water sparkle as the raindrops crash. Stomp your feet and clap your hands real fast. Join the jungle party, let the good times last. Jump like a frog, wiggle like a snake, tiptoe softly so you don't wake the sleepy lion dreaming in the shade. Now roar together, jungle parade. Sing along with Elvis Elephant, splish, splash, every little puddle makes a perfect splash. Dance around, spin once, then laugh. Elvis says you're jungle-tastic with a drunky blast.